WordPress post metadata description. This is what we are going to learn next. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to another new episode of Learning Simplified. In this video and next, we are going to know about how to add post metadata description to the posts added to our blog site. Now in doing so, let's head back to the functions.php of our WordPress site. Here, let's create a custom defined function that we will be using in this respect. So in the first case, let's add the comment let's create the custom defined function that I'll be naming as time of posting. So we have created this custom defined function. Now inside this function, we will be using a definite PHP function that displays the time. That means the timestamp for a particular post. So in the very first case, all we are going to do, we will be creating a definite variable with the name of now in this variable, all we are going to do, we are going to fetch the timestamp of the post when it was created. We will be fetching that definite timestamp and we will be storing the value against this definite variable of date of post. So here it is. In the first case, the first one is L, then it comes F, J, S. S is the capital one, and at the end we are putting the year. So all those alphabets, those are practically having some definite meaning here. What we just did, we have created this custom defined function, we have created a variable inside it, and inside the variable we have used the timestamp, the PHP time function, the purpose of which is to fetch the time and to store the value against the variable that we have created right over here. Now let's talk about all those parameters here. In this particular case, L, it stands for, this is the L, and it stands for the day. F stands for the month. J stands for the day, and S stands for the suffix, and of course this last one, this last parameter here, Y, capital Y, it stands for the year. So if we now return this definite variable here, we will be using the exact same variable. Let's copy and paste it right over here. Now for the time being, to get the output, we need to get back to any of the template page as we created in the earlier video tutorials. So we will be heading back to the content.php. So we'll be heading back to content.php, and here inside, first of all, let's create a definite div which should be known as, and let's name it as feature time. And inside this individual div, all we are going to do, we are going to use this same function here that we have created. So let's copy this thing from here, head back to this content.php, and here we are putting as, and here we are putting as. Now that we have invoked the function right over into our content.php, so in the next case we will be getting back to our project, reloading, and we can see that there goes the timestamp that we have used practically. This is the Wednesday, March 18th. So this individual post, it was created on Wednesday, March 18th, 2020. Now in an order to reorder this individual timestamp, all we can do, we can bring it back right below the title part and right above the content part or the excerpt part. It depends upon the page here. So I have placed this timestamp declaration right within this title and this excerpt part, and in the similar fashion we can make some changes over here. Above all, we will be showing the title, then comes the featured image, and then comes all those timestamps right over here. So this is the orientation at the present. Now if we get back to our project and reload, we can see that this will be the obvious result, and this is the title here, then comes the featured image, and then comes the timestamp, as we can see being displayed right into these individual posts or these posts all over.